Alright, what's
Yeah,
up, gamers?
I'm gonna eat now.
Oh,
So you
okay.
can record.
Alright, so we're here in Discord. This video is on how to get webhooks for your server. Webhooks are useful. Let's say, like, I'm a content creator, right? Sometimes I post videos, right? I have these cool bots set up where they automatically post into my Discord announcement server whenever I upload a video. So I don't care if you want to know how to do it. I'm gonna teach you how. So this is my Twitter webhook bot, Kakistan Chronicle, and if we come over here, it's under integrations. And yeah, okay, so here are my two webhooks. You can create a new webhook by just like giving it a name or something, and then like we'll go with that. Yeah, that's a good bot. I'll put it in like dump, and then I'll call it Walter. We're gonna need this webhook URL, so you wanna press copy, and then we're gonna come over here to Chrome. Lots of tutorials tell you to use IFTTT. If this, then that, whatever. This website, it works, but I tried it and it doesn't really. I just find Zapier a lot easier, so just head over to zapier.com. and make your account for free. This is not sponsored. Alright, so we want to come over here to Zaps, and we want to create a Zap. You could create one for anything. So I could create one for Twitter or YouTube. This is just ones that I have. But I guess I can create a Twitter bot, and then okay, I'll go with user tweet. So yes, I have it authorized already. I don't want to do that. Okay, fine, I guess I can't do it. Okay, likes tweet, and I'll do like retro, whatever is it? No, oh fine, I'll just do my account, username, type or insert. What's this Twitter? So if you guys are not followed me on Twitter, it's twitter.com/cactus. I know, right? I just got that name, pretty original. Let's see, where do I see people? Okay, retro, yeah. Alright, his retro was here. Okay, I'll just put that in, and then continue. Alright, find data. So we need to test the trigger. Okay, yeah, that's my tweet, whatever. Alright, so we can continue, and then you could do Discord. That's not, I haven't really tried that, but what you want to do is like webhooks by Zapier, because it's just, I don't know, better. So create the post, and we're gonna need that URL. So I just paste that in, and if you want to know where that is, it's right here. You press the copy webhook URL on your webhook, and then for data, we want to put content, and then it's gonna be JSON. So alright, I'll just do that. So the text, my tweet, whatever, and then you want to mention people. So let's see, I'll say Walter just found a new post, and then I'll put like the everyone tag, so it'll mention everyone in your server. And then I can make it upload a file. Yeah. So if you're more advanced, then you can do that, I guess. So you just press continue, and then want to do test and continue, and the test was sent to webhooks. Alright, so it posted to dump. Nice. Okay, yeah, you might want to customize it a little bit more. This isn't really bland, but yeah, if you put a little more effort into it, then it'll work. So I'm gonna delete that. Basically that's all you need to know about webhooks and stuff like that. I'm gonna go ahead and delete Walt. Walt was a good test subject. Oh. Okay. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video.